Hi, you guys. We're going to explore how Canvas on ChatGPT works and how it can help you increase your productivity and creativity. Canvas on ChatGPT is a new feature that lets you collaborate with AI in a visual workspace. It's perfect for YouTubers to outline scripts, design video workflows, or draft content ideas. Canvas makes it easier and more interactive, whether you're brainstorming ideas, drafting documents, or even coding. Plus, you can edit content in real time, just like any Google Doc. And the great thing is, Canvas is now free for all ChatGPT users. So let's go into my computer and we will go over that. I'll show you the interface, what it looks like, and what you can do with this. So first, you guys, log into your ChatGPT account. If you don't have one, it's free to create one. Just use an email address. Okay, when you log in, this is the screen, the interface that you'll see. Over here on the left, you have the menu. It says ChatGPT, ChatGPT Explore. You can create a new chat. You can search ChatGPT. And over here, you can close the sidebar. Okay? All of this information is, if you've already created anything on ChatGPT, it saves it over here on the left. So now let's access Canvas, and this is how you would do that. Over here in the middle, you have View Tools. So this toolbox icon, you click on the toolbox icon, and you see Picture, Search, and on the bottom here, you have Canvas. Click on Canvas, and you see it right here. It says Canvas. So I'm going to put a prompt in here just so you can see what Canvas does. You click on the up arrow, right? Say you don't want this. You can highlight it and over down here in this menu box, it says Ask ChatGPT. You can click on Ask ChatGPT and ask it to change it. So you can say, make this shorter. Okay. And over here, it's telling you it's making it shorter. And here it is. In real time, it is making that paragraph or that sentence shorter. Okay? So now, if you want to see the changes that were made, you click on Changes. And over here where you have the highlighted in red, that was the previous chat. And then the edited chat, the updated chat, is over here in green. Okay? If you want to see the previous version, you can go back, click on the back arrow. And if you want to see the new version, here you have it. Okay? There's also copy. You can press copy and paste wherever you want. In this menu section, you can attach files for Canvas. You can search the web. And again, the toolbox is where you can find Canvas. Now, there's also this menu box over here on the bottom left. So you access this menu box by clicking on the pencil icon, and you can adjust the length of your script. You can either keep the current length, you can make it shorter, the shortest, or you can make it longer, longest. And from this icon, you can edit your script or, whatever document you have by, say, grade level, right? Middle school, kindergarten, high school, college, grad school, right? So it's pretty much based on your audience. Who are you writing for? What level do you want to communicate to them? So this icon allows you to add final polish, like it says. So say you're done with your document and you just want ChatGPT to clean it up for you, polish it up for you. You click on this icon and it'll do that for you. Here you can add emojis. You can add emojis to your entire document. All right, I just clicked on it, one of the options, and as you can see, it's adding emojis. Okay, and I'm going to stop it because you get the idea. You can add emojis to sections of your document. So, okay, which it's doing right now, as you can see. And it's so intuitive, guys. It's choosing the best sections of the document to add the emojis to. I'm going to stop that. You can add lists, emojis lists. Let's see what it does. Okay. All right. I'm going to stop it. And then you can also remove emojis. Okay. It does it if you have the original. So if you have a document with emojis in it and you want the emojis removed, Canvas will do that as well. So guys, there's another way to access Canvas. All you have to do is click on Explore GPTs. And you're going to scroll down until you see Canva. You click on Canva. Click on Start Chat. And you're in Canvas. If you want to share your document, say you're working with a team, you click on Share. And you can just create a link and share that link so that you can collaborate with others. Okay? Guys, Canvas on ChatGPT is a game changer, whether you're a student, creator, or professional. So try it out, you guys, and let me know what you think in the comment section. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you in the next one. Bye.